Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Aero Models Club. We're going to take up the T-28 Carbon Z Trojan again. Have a little bit of fun with her. Right, left, up, down.
Landing flaps.
Our wind has kind of died, which is nice.
Motor on.
All right. All right, here we go. Turn around here. Got a little bit of a headwind I'm going into, so I really don't need, not much of one, but so I'm not going to worry about takeoff flaps. Running a 5,000 smart battery.
Gear up.
Now remember, with a Trojan, I don't care who makes it, you always put your gear up when you're going straight and level. Like right now, I wouldn't be having my gear going up and down. All right, kind of flying around nice and slow, nice and pretty. I think I got the battery back a little too far. Take a little bit forward with it.
Gear down.
All right, make sure the gear is going down. All right. Yeah, I got that battery too far forward. See how she's wanting to climb on you?
4 minutes.
Like she's just slightly tail heavy. So I'm gonna land it and move that battery a little bit further forward. All right, line up with the gear. Well, you know what? We're gonna go around. My wind has died, so get turned around here.
Prop secured.
All right. To me, that battery,
Flaps up.
I was busy talking to somebody, and I wasn't really paying attention to where I was putting my battery. Yeah, it needs to go forward just a touch, just a little bit, not too much. There. We'll try that now, see if that's not a little bit better. All right. Make sure your hatch is on good. I don't want to blow my hatch off again like I did on the maiden of this thing. All right. This time we will do takeoff flaps. Oh, and something else this plane's got.
Flight
Oh, no, it doesn't.
safe mode.
Oh, it does have reverse thrust, but
EFLITE mode.
I don't have it enabled. With this plane here, you don't need reverse thrust. She slows down just fine. All right. Yeah, she lifts off just fine.
Gear up.
Yeah.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Yeah, I like that position better. A little of a knife edge here. All right,
Landing flaps.
let's slow our roll a little bit here. Now that we've gone up and done some maneuvers. Oh yeah, I like that battery position, but I'm gonna have to mark that with a Sharpie. Yeah, that's a good battery position. We're gonna bring her in slow and try to get as close to the deck as I can safely fly. Well, I'm sure I get a lot closer than that, but that's just the way it ended up.
Flaps up.
Kind of a slow barrel roll there, or slow roll. Da 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 da.
Gear down.
All right, going straight now.
Landing flaps.
My gear's down. See them power lines I'm getting ready to go by? I went right with my first T-28. I went right into those power lines. Destroyed the plane. That hurt too.
Time remaining 1 minute.
There you go. Just like a butterfly with sore feet.
Flaps up.
A little bit of a knife edge here. All right.
Gear up.
Going straight, putting my gear up.
Seconds.
All right, putting the gear back down.
Landing flaps. 20 seconds.
Yeah. Got to kill some altitude. There we
10,
go.
9, 8,
Ah,
7,
British lady starting to fuss at me,
4,
telling me my fun is over.
1.
It's time to bring her in. Fun is over. There we go.
Flaps up.
Didn't even spill my beer on that one. Well, folks, I want to thank you for watching, being a viewer and a subscriber, or just stopping by to see what this fat guy does with little planes. Thank you so much. God bless each and every one of y'all.
Secure.
That's the T-28 Carbon Z. I'm sitting in a hole, aren't I?
Motor.
Get out of that hole.
Props
That's the
secure.
Carbon Z, E-flite Carbon Z T-28 Trojan. Great flying plane. Very stable. The only thing intimidating about this plane is the $650 price tag that comes with it and the $100 batteries. If you're okay with that, then this is a great plane to own. Let's look at our fancy technology and see how much life we have left in the I still got a third of a battery. So by golly, I'm going to go up one more time. I just can't, you know,
Motor on.
sitting in a hole there. I'm going to go up one more time. Got a chance to fly this beautiful beast. Take her up one more time. One more takeoff and landing. Oh yeah.
Gear up.
Timer was set for 5 minutes, but still got a third of the battery left. So probably a good 6 minutes,
Gear down.
maybe a 6.5 minutes.
Landing flaps.
Man, I love this plane. Just a nice, gentle,
1 minute.
non-intimidating. The only thing intimidating is the price.
Flaps up.
There we go. Well, like I say, she has thrust reverse, but I don't have it enabled. She slows down fine. You shouldn't really need it. So, well, there you go, folks. That's the T-28. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then jets and planes and this wonderful hobby. Bye-bye.